Welcome to a chef called Rhonda. I'm Rhonda and this is my kitchen. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to flavor some lemon vinaigrette. Let's grab our trusty wooden spoons. Let's all meet back in the kitchen while I teach you how to make lemon vinaigrette. Okay, welcome into the kitchen. For today's recipe, you will need the following items. I'm using a very deep mixing bowl today so that when we're utilizing the stainless steel whisk, we can do so with vigor. My lemon juicer, I highly recommend the Trudeau brand. It is inexpensive. I will provide a link down below so that you can purchase one. High quality, low cost, perfect kitchen tool, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Folks, the juice of 3 lemons is necessary for this recipe. 1.5 teaspoons of good quality sea salt, 1 clove of minced garlic, the zest of 1 lemon finely chopped, and a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, good quality honey, 1 tablespoon and a quarter, and 3/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. All right, let's get to it. To save time, I've already squeezed the juice of the lemon. Okay, let's first add our good quality sea salt to that mixing bowl, followed by the clove of garlic that has been finely minced. And next we will add that zest from the lemon. Next, the Dijon mustard, followed by the good quality honey. Let's get every bit of honey into that mixing bowl. Okay, so all the ingredients are at the bottom there. Next, here's a key tip to this recipe. We're slowly adding the freshly squeezed lemon juice. Why? Because we want to bring that lemon juice up to a nice froth. And you can see here that it becomes nice and frothy. We'll continue to add that lemon juice slowly and whisk for about a minute and a half. Lastly, our last ingredient, the extra virgin olive oil. Grab that stainless steel whisk and ever so gently and ever so slowly we want to add that olive oil. And what we're doing here is we're bringing this dressing or the olive oil up to an emulsification, okay? And the slower you add the olive oil and the more frequently you whisk, the thicker the dressing will become. Okay, and let's go ahead and pour our lemon vinaigrette right into our container, which will last up to 1.5 weeks covered in the refrigerator. Next, let's talk about that Trudeau lemon juicer. I want to show you how easily it is to juice a lemon. Whoops, let me grab a knife so that we can cut that lemon directly in half, like so. And watch how easily it is to juice with the Trudeau lemon juicer. It's super easy to work with, tiny enough to fit in the palm of your hand. It strains away the seeds and just makes that beautiful juice. You can see the seeds are caught right up in the top portion, and then the juice is so nice and clear and so fresh and flavorful. Well, that's a wrap. I wanted to take a moment and say many thanks for watching today's cooking show. If you haven't subscribed to A Chef Called Rhonda, please would you consider subscribing to A Chef Called Rhonda? It's always healthy, always delicious, and always fun. Until we meet again, I bid you arrivederci, cindan, salute.